They've always been my go-to product because they're reliable, they're well built, they're cost effective and they do a fantastic job. I always use ADEY chemicals because you're using an ADEY filter, why would you not use the best chemicals as well? Hi, I'm Pointy Plumbing Heating, also organiser of Plumbers Social. I've been using ADEY MagnaCleans now for about 10 years, as long as I've been a gas engineer. They've always been my go-to product because they're reliable, they're well built, they're cost effective and they do a fantastic job. Of course you can see what you're catching, which makes all the difference to the customers as well. They've got a great warranty, they're built in the UK, they're easy to service. The thing I like about them is you can take the top off and remove this part with all the debris on it, with all the magnetite on it, wash it off and put it back, and you know you've cleaned out the system then. It's not just relying on flushing something out and questioning whether there's any left in there or not. I fit magnetic system filters to protect new boilers. I also protect new systems when I've installed them, and not only that, I put them on system flushes. So whenever I do a system flush, I'll install a filter as standard so I can use my MagnaCleanse to attach straight onto the valves, which is the easiest way to do it. And also you can put the filter on and protect it after you've done the flush as well. I always use ADEY chemicals because you're using an ADEY filter, why would you not use the best chemicals as well? The MC1 Plus is fantastic at protecting, I think it's around 12 radiator systems, which is phenomenal really for a bottle. And of course the MC3 is great for flushing, MC5 is great for fast flushing. That's what I always do when I'm only there for the day. I use ADEY ProCheck while I'm doing boiler services if I've not been there before, to be able to do my due diligence to know what quality the system is before I get there, so I can recommend doing a system flush, fitting a filter or service work moving forwards. I also use ProCheck when I've fitted a boiler myself, so I can prove to the customer I've done a good job of that flush and I'm leaving them with the right quality water. How I convince customers to make that investment is really the wrong way to put it. How I explain to the customers that it's going to save them money in the long run, how it's going to protect their actual very big investment of a new boiler, new radiators. Why would you not want to know and control the quality of the system water moving forward? You just have to explain it to them in the right way and they see the light.